Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix notes feature not showing on Messenger. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, you're going to head over to Play Store and we're going to search for Messenger just like this. And after that, you have to make sure that this app is updated. And if it says that it's updated, then what you need to do is wherever your messenger is, I don't have it in this phone for now, but let's say it's this one. So you're gonna long press on messenger and you're gonna click on app info. From there you're gonna head over to storage usage. You're gonna clear the cache, and then if you remember all your passwords and if you have no issues, you should clear the data too, and then go back and check if it's working for you now, and this problem should be fixed. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.